So guys, let's discuss the remove stone to minimize the total problem. In this problem you are given piles, several piles of stones, okay, and they are number k. The ith piles I denotes the number of stones at the ith pile, and you can do exactly k operations, and at each operation you can remove a pile, remove stones, floor of pile I by 2 stones from it, okay, at each operation. So this is what you can do, and you need to return the minimum total number of stones remaining after applying k operations, okay, minimum possible total number of stones. So you have to minimize the total number of stones. So how will you solve this problem? So let's check out the example. See the second example. So in the second example we can see, first we are choosing 6, then we are choosing the fourth index 4, and then we are removing this index, the first index. So the resultant will be 12. So one thing we can see, the one with the highest number is removed first. So 7 is removed first, then 6 we will remove, then 4 we will remove. Okay, this way we will do. Okay, and at each time also we have to sort it. Okay, so what I am saying, guys, let me tell you. So files and k is given to us. Okay, so what we will do, first we will sort files dot sort reverse equals to true. Okay, this is what we will do. No, this is we will do everything inside the while loop. Okay? While k is greater than 0, inside the while loop. So if piles dot sort reverse equals then we will sort the piles array. Okay, then we will store a temp as piles 0 minus piles 0 divided by 2. This will store temp over here. Cool. But till here you can understand. Now what we will do, now we will iterate for I in range from 0 to length of piles. Then we will iterate throughout the whole array of piles, and if at any instance if k is equal to 0, we will break out of the loop. Okay, and what else we will check? Now if we will again check if temp is greater than, so temp is greater than piles I, then also we will break out. Okay, good. And yeah, these two cases will break out. Otherwise what we will do, we will reduce the piles value. Piles of I is equal to piles of I minus piles of I divided by 2. Okay, this is what we will do, and then we will decrement the value of k minus equal to 1. Okay, this is what we will do, and we will keep on iterating this until and unless k becomes 0. Okay, once k becomes 0, we will come out and we will return sum of piles. So this will sum up the whole array and return the solution. So hope we are getting there. So first we are reversing it, then we are storing a temp variable. Okay, temp variable to minimize the sorting order. Okay, otherwise we have to do the sorting multiple times. That is why we are storing a temp variable, and now until and unless temp is piles I is less than or equal to temp, piles I is greater than or equal to temp, we'll keep on taking those piles, we will keep on doing the we will keep on doing the operation on each of the piles I. Okay, so what I'm saying is guys, piles I is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, then we do the below operation. Then we do the below operation. Okay, then we do the below operation and we keep on doing it until and unless temp is less than or equal to piles I. Okay, so it's a very simple approach. Basically we are picking only those piles which are higher. Okay, so this will minimize our solution. This is the basic approach. So I got accepted, guys. You can see my submissions. Yeah, 6 minutes ago you can see accepted. My solution has been accepted. So yeah, this is the correct solution. You can implement it in any language you want. So that is it, guys. If you are still facing problem in solving these problems, you can contact me via WhatsApp. I also provide one-to-one coaching and also subscription for doubt clearance. So you can discuss about that with me, and it will be definitely very helpful to you. And yeah, that's it. And you can also watch my other videos of live interview sessions. Those sessions you can watch those videos. Those will be very beneficial to you if you have any internships or job interviews coming. So yeah, that's it, guys. Have a good day. Bye.